In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize font settings on Proton Mail. Proton Mail is known for its high-level security and privacy features, but did you know you can also tailor its appearance to suit your personal style? Adjusting the font settings is a great way to make your email experience more comfortable and visually appealing. So let's dive in and see how you can easily customize these settings. First, you'll need to head over to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Proton Mail inbox. Once you're there, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. You'll find this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Toggle Settings menu. After opening the toggle settings, you'll see a list of options. Here, you'll want to click on All Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page where you can find various customization options for your account. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the Appearance option and click on it. This section is where you can make visual adjustments to your Proton Mail interface, including the font settings. Once you're in the Appearance section, scroll down until you find the Accessibility subsection. This is where you'll be able to change both the font family and the font size to your liking. Changing the font family allows you to select different styles of text, so pick one that suits your reading preference. You might prefer a serif font for its classic look, or a sans serif font for its clean and modern appearance. You can also adjust the font size, which is particularly useful if you find yourself squinting at the screen, or if you want to fit more text on the screen at once. Simply choose a size that makes your emails easy to read without straining your eyes. Once you've made your selections, the changes should apply automatically. If not, there might be a Save button at the bottom of the page, so be sure to click it to apply your new settings. And that's it! You've successfully customized your font settings on Proton Mail. Customizing your font settings can significantly enhance your email experience, making it more pleasant and personalized. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now enjoying a more comfortable and tailored Proton Mail experience. Thanks for watching.